What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Simone, and I'm back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is going to be for for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. What's up, Cap? All caps, no caps, nothing cap. Back blue. Oh, yeah, you already know. Hey, Cap. How's it going? How's it going? If you're new to the channel, my name is Simone, and here we're creating tarot videos, affirmation videos, meditation videos, and meditation music. So if you're interested in any of those things, please subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos, okay? So let's get into it. Let's see what's up for the next 2 weeks for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, oh, God, fired, yikes. Okay, so you could be being fired, someone else could be being fired, you could be firing someone or ending something abruptly. Something is being ended abruptly, like, done. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know what's being fired yet, but we definitely thinking about money. Okay, best at what I do, jack of all trades. Okay, that feels good. So it's feeling like if you're the head of a business or you're creating a business, you're the best at what you do, or you're a jack of all trades and you're firing people, places, and things that don't align with being the best. Like, you only want the best for your business. Now people are wanting to apologize. I apologize, forgive me at the bottom of the deck. Like, nah. Ooh. Oh, hold up. Bad timing and then multiple streams of income. Okay, so we're gonna see what's up with that. Bad timing and multiple streams of income. So yeah, I feel like the bad timing is with whatever is being fired or whatever is being released from your life, excuse me. Well, no, I'll take that back. I don't want to keep saying excuse me. I looked up what excuse means and I was just like, that's just not something I want to do. I don't feel like I did anything wrong. So I shouldn't have to say excuse me, but then you just get so used to saying something that people just say, you know, that it's hard to break that spell sometimes. But fast forward. So fired, and something being ended abruptly. 12 hours at the bottom of the deck now. So let's see what's up. Bless you. Fire for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. Oh, damn. Hell no. That's too many cards. Fire for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. Yeah, I definitely feel like you're focused on your money as usual, Cap. Like, but you're focused on growing your money. Like, really growing your money. And staying focused on being the best at something. You're like, yeah, I'm good at this. So I'm gonna make money from these things too, but I'm the best at this. I love this. I'm focused on this. Like, this is in the center. So it's like, this is the center of my life. It's the center of everything right now. And then everything that's not those things that I love that are still making me money, this thing that I super love, that I do every day that's making me money. And then if it's not that, then like, get the fuck. Like, that's how it feels. But let's see, fired. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna take these two that landed on it. We have the Queen of Wands and then the Seven of Wands reversed. So yeah, like, you're standing in your power on something and you're releasing your defenses by not having to have this energy around you. So it's basically like you can now put your guard down. You can now really be free and really be creative and really do what it is that you want to do, because you've let go of these energies that you felt like you had to fight, or you felt like were fighting against you. in creating these multiple streams of income or in being the best at something. You're like, look, you can get the fuck out of here. Like, I'm done. I'm done. Like the Queen of Wands put her shit down. She was like, I'm done. If you don't get the fuck out of here now, I'm beating your ass. And if you don't want this ass whooping, then boom. Yeah, that's what that feels like. So, so yeah, somebody's being guided away. Somebody's being escorted out. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, they can go. Somebody's being escorted out, or somebody's being guided out of your life. Yeah, because you've been sitting and you've been analyzing and you've been looking over your money, like literally, like you've been looking over your receipts, you've been looking over your paperwork, you've been looking over, you know, your friends, your family, your acquaintances, the things, every seed that you've planted in your life, you're looking at them now and you're deciding, like, are you fired or are you working? Like, yeah. So yeah, someone's being guided out. Let's see what best at what I do, Jack of all trades is for Cat. Let's see, Ace of Cups, nice. Ace of Cups, the Lovers reversed, and then the Two of Wands reversed. So yeah, I feel like, how do I want to word it? It's like, with the Lovers being reversed, I don't feel like it's a bad thing. I feel like it's more of a, I have so much love and so much passion for so many different things. Like there's always something new. I can always decide on something new. I can always do something new. Like, I don't have to be stuck in one thing. Like, I have options. And that's what I feel like this Jack of all trades is. Like, this person that can decide to be passionate about or do anything. You know what I'm saying? Like, to start anything, to go anywhere, to have anything. That's what I'm feeling like with this energy. Like, you can always bring in something new. Or you can always do something new. And even if it's the same thing, so again, being the best, like, when it comes to being the best, you're innovating. You're changing things, you're shifting things, you're doing things differently, and then people are kind of following you. You know, they're following your lead. I feel like with this Two of Wands too, I feel like following the leader, like somebody's following the leader. The leader is taking control. Like this person he picked his wand, she got her wand, and they're like, all right, this is where I want to go, this is what I'm planning. And then they have this other wand behind them, and it's like a follower, like or a person is, I don't want to say in line, but yeah, if you're the best, then chances are you have a team of the best. Like, you can't be the best without having the best team. Like, they kind of go hand in hand. So I feel like you're surrounding yourself with the best, or you're surrounding yourself with these new energies that pretty much are in line with you and what it is that you're doing and what it is that you're creating. Let's see, multiple streams of income, money magnet, and bad timing for Cat. 20-second cards. Bad timing, multiple streams of income, and money magnet.